Hello lovely crafters, welcome back to my studio. There's so many kids out there waiting for the house to be done. Hurry up, we need to make it fast. They're screaming for the house.
Okay.
So here's the balcony pattern, screenshot it. We're gonna finish it just like finishing the wall and ceiling with one lamp spot about right here. So here's the lamp installation will be, just covered like this because this is gonna be the balcony floor. And finish the other side using some wallpaper sticker in any kind of pattern you like, and these are the other walls. So I've already finished them with the overnight thing and they're ready to be put together. You need to remeasure this distance before finishing the last part to make it perfectly fit, just like this. Voila! And then let's continue to cover some ugly texture of the cardboard using some peel of the cardboard paper or any kind of thin paper, just like this. Don't leave any ugly texture behind, except for some part that won't be really seen, like this part or this very top part. But if you'd like to make it super neat and cover all of them with some paper, of course it's gonna be better. And to finish some corner, instead of doing this, you can cut the paper into wider size and fold it like this. I think it's going to be really good. And to finish the window part, remember to finish it before you put the glass on. Well, it's plastic actually, not glass. And this is my final result. As usual, it's never perfect. It's okay. We're going to cover it with some decoration later. And then, instead of painting it, I decide to put some white glue layer to the exterior wall to make it waterproof. Anyway, white glue will make the surface shinier and sturdier. And this is the almost finished balcony. I put the white glue layer only on this side because I'm going to put another decoration piece on this surface. This will be the entrance ceiling. This is the lamp spot, and as the lamp cap, I'm using some mini paper cup. I cut it into half and paint it black, and it's gonna be right here. And to decorate some exterior wall, I'm using corrugated plastic. Thanks for the comment. I didn't know how to say it before. I'm choosing black as the roof and brown as the wall accent, just like wood. But of course you can choose any kind of your favorite color. Don't forget to make your own ruler to arrange it neatly in order. I didn't even put any tape on this. I just put it like that. So here we go. You can play architect with your kids with the free arrangement of the house. If you need some support for the balcony, you can make something like this as the column. I made it out of paper cylinder like this because I thought the structure is strong enough. I covered it with some color paper, but of course you can paint it. And then I put some extra cardboard stack underneath and also on the top later, just to match the size I need. And then I don't glue the column permanently to the balcony for the easy storage. And here's the look of my finished wall with the white glue layer. And remember to finish everything, especially the window area, before you put the glass on, or you're gonna have some glue stain on your glass. Plastic, I mean. But I skipped this part for a reason. Last but not least, the roof to cover the lamp installation. So here's the size. It's a little bigger than the ceiling. right here and stick it like this. It's too big for my camera angle, so this is all I need to show. So it's becoming a shoebox lid-like, and it's waterproof, so if you're playing outdoor and suddenly it's raining, you still have enough time to run away with the house. It's gonna be a little bit loose, but I think it's safer than making it too tight. And then let's finish it with the hardest part, the door. Instead of color paper, you can paint it if you'd like. To make the door handle, I'm using some chopstick, but you can also use some wooden dowel. The size, color, and design is absolutely up to you. Make a pair for a door and let all the glue dry perfectly before continuing to put the mini hinge on. So put the mini hinge using some hot glue. It's about like this. Stand it like this, and in this position, put another hot glue right here and stick them together. I don't need to show you how to make it. It's super easy. I made it out of wooden dowel, and it's gonna be the curtain rod about like this. And please tell me how to make a better curtain than this. I'm not happy with this. And I'm gonna show you how to store it in practical size like this. I know, right? Storage problem always be the main issue for every dollhouse, especially in 1/6 scale because it's quite big. So here it is. I forgot a ceiling and a balcony because of the hanging lamp. Well, doesn't matter. It's practical enough to be put in my storage. And this multifunction house can also be used as a room box for Barbie photo shoot or video. And here's a little idea for the interior. I'm using some artsy origami paper as the wall painting and tablecloth. So you can make this practical table like this with removable tablecloth so you can change it anytime. And turns out the wall shelves are really useful to put the painting on. See, you don't need any more wall nail to put it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
I hope you like the house. Have a nice sleep. Good night.